Hi, my name is Colin Willis, an AWS Solutions Architect. I'm hosting the first Generative AI Game Day in the Northern England with the Scale Factory. The room is packed, customers are on running now, earning points, and it's a really enjoyable day.
The thing that really inspired us to pull together the Game Day today is that most people prefer to learn by getting hands-on and playing with services and technology. That's something that we recognise. So the Game Day format really is just a way of people learning in just a much more fun and engaging way.
What I really want people to take away from it is almost the sort of demystification of AI a little bit, for people to actually realise that these things are accessible and that people can use them and they can actually build real services which kind of do really interesting real work, whether that's transcribing audio or generating images, and actually having them feel that and being able to build those things from scratch. The whole thing runs in 2 hours, so people with no experience of this to be able to build these things in that time is really impressive.
I mean, I think we was like fully engaged for the 2 hours, weren't we? Yeah. We was working right up to the wire, and I think we nearly got another task across the line, so we could have even heightened our point.
Yeah, maybe another 15 minutes, and we've pretty much completed it all, I think. So overall, good.
I remember seeing their CVs come through back when they had no experience or exposure to tech, and then I actually heard a rumour that one of our Titans completed one of the first tasks first out of everyone in the room, which is pretty exciting for us. Seeing them and how well they're doing, it makes me realise that what we do at the Academy at 1010, it's important.
Within an organisation, they might have a structured training programme, and things like Game Days or Immersion Day allow their staff and team members to come out of the office and look at the latest technologies, the sort of things that are really bleeding edge, and get some experience with those in a really fun and novel way.
I've been to other Amazon events where they described it, so today was actually a day to use my skills and be challenged and see if I can learn new things about generative AI, so that was a big pull for it.
AI is very big, so I think people should always be continuously learning, especially within the tech industry when things move so fast and things are out of date almost instantly, so it's very important that we continue to sort of upskill ourselves and the business, but then also just sort of getting together and
collaborate. Having the teams really helps. It's a good mix of skill sets and abilities, and people get to learn from other people too.
The most exciting part today has probably been learning something new. I mean, all the generative AI stuff is really interesting at the minute, so it's always good to learn something new, and it's obviously a big thing at the minute as well.
I think the strategy that worked well in the Game Day was just diving into things and just trying things, seeing what works, and that's definitely something I'll take away from today.
One thing the customers are telling us right now on the floor is they are looking forward to doing more events in the future. So there's ideas of hackathons, future game days, training exercises, demo booths. Those ideas are all coming from the customers. And I'm looking forward to doing more with the Scale Factory and 1010 in the future on this.